Hello, my name is Dr. Sarah Courtwright. I am a small animal veterinarian, and today I'm going to be reviewing some of the most searched topics for dog behavior. Why don't my dogs play together? So this could be for a couple different reasons. Sometimes if you have, say, a really young dog and a really old dog, their energy levels and personalities don't always match. If this is something that is brand new, then I would go and talk to your vet or maybe even a behaviorist about it, especially if it is a sudden change. Why doesn't my dog bark? So this could be a breed or personality issue. Some dogs are just more calm than other dogs. It could also be the environment in which they were raised. So if they were raised in a really calm environment where not a lot was going on, sometimes they just don't feel the need to bark, whereas if a dog is more stressed in general, they are going to be much more prone to vocalizing. Why don't my dogs get along? So this is a great question. Sometimes, especially if you're introducing a new pet into the household, it could be that your existing pet is feeling a little threatened. So sometimes they can be territorial over their food, their space. Here's some tips. Make sure that there aren't any resources that they're competing over. So really try to separate them initially. Make sure they're not sharing their food, their water, or their toys. We want to make sure that they understand that the other isn't a threat to them. But if you're having any issues or you're noticing some of those concerning signs, then make sure you talk to your vet about it. I feel like that's how I end every single thing. Why doesn't my dog play with toys? Some pets are just not interested in toys, whereas others absolutely love toys, want to chew them apart. Also, with senior pets, if they have any issues cognitively, if they're in pain, if they have any dental issues, that could be a reason they're not wanting to chew their toys. So if this is something that you are noticing suddenly, make sure you talk to your vet about it. Why don't my dogs like being outside? Some dogs can be very fearful of noise that occurs in the outside environment. My one dog, Franklin, for instance, he has a severe noise phobia, so any loud noise outside really spooks him, so he doesn't love going outside. Of course, if you're saying your dog doesn't like going outside because it's extremely hot or raining or cold, that could be a more obvious reason. But if you're noticing that your pet used to love going outside and now isn't, I would be worried that maybe something medical is going on. So are they in pain? Is something bothering them? So definitely a reason to have them checked out by your veterinarian. Why don't my dogs cuddle each other? So oftentimes this is just a personality difference. Some dogs really like to lay up on the couch and cuddle. Others prefer to be more active or outdoors. It's nothing that I would ever push. So if they're just not in the mood to do that, just let them have their space. Do you have any more pet questions? Make sure you comment below and I'll look to answer some of them.